Welcome students. This is the last session of construction of quadrilaterals in 8th mathematics. Today we'll discuss some of the problems, constructions in exercise 3.5 and 3.6. So let us move on. Okay. See, we all know that all these conditions we need to draw a quadrilateral. These are the measurements we need. See, today we'll discuss the last one, that is when three sides and two included angles are given, and we'll discuss some of the constructions regarding rhombus. Okay, see, this is the fifth construction, the problems regarding the exercise 3.5, that is when three sides and two included angles are given. See, this is the problem I have taken. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB, BC, CD, three sides are given and two angles, that is angle B and angle C is given. So first we'll draw a rough diagram for this. So this is a quadrilateral with four vertices, and we know AB, that is 5 centimeters, BC, that is 4.5 centimeters, CD, that is 6 centimeters, and we know the angle at B is 100 degrees and the angle at C is 75 degrees. So this is the construction, and we have drawn a rough diagram, and I'll show you how to construct this quadrilateral. Okay, see, this is the fifth construction, that is the construction of a quadrilateral when three sides and two included angles are given. So for this, you have to take a line segment AB, so the line segment length is 5 centimeters, and at angle B you have to take 100 degrees angle with a protractor, and this one you cannot draw with a compass, that is why you have to take with a protractor only. Now with center B and the radius 4.5 centimeters, you have to draw an arc. See, when you find the angle, that is also 100 degrees. So this is with center B and the radius 4.5 centimeters, you have to draw an arc and locate the point. Let that point be C. Now here you have to make an angle. So for that is 75 degrees. So for that you have to take an arc like this. That is, see here, the length of BC is 4.5 centimeters. So less than half you have to take. Here I have taken almost 2 centimeters radius. So keeping pointer at C and radius 2 centimeters, I have drawn an arc, and the arc will touch the line segment here at this point, taking with the same, remember carefully, you have to take the same radius. You should not disturb the compass measurement, isn't it? That you have to remember. Every time you have to take same radius. So one more arc, you know, this one is 60 and this is again 60 total. So 120. So you'll get which angle you need? You need the 75 degrees angle, isn't it? So that angle will come in between these 2 points. So these 2 points, first you have to keep the pointer at this point, and again at this point you have to bisect this angle. So when you bisect this angle, this one is 60. When you bisect this angle, so 60 that is half of 60 is 30 degrees, isn't it? So when you bisect this angle, you will get the 30 degrees angle here. See, with the same radius, you have to draw 2 arcs, locate a point like this, and draw a line. Did you get the 75 degrees angle now? Did you get it? Did you get the 75 degrees angle now? No. See here, this from here to here it is 60, and we have bisected this angle. You know, this angle is 60 again. When you bisect this angle, this will become 30 and this will become 30. So you need only 15. You don't need 30. So again, what you have to do, you have to bisect this part. So you have to locate point here and you have to bisect it again. See, I'll show you. Again, you have to keep the point like this. See carefully, observe carefully. You draw an arc with the same radius. Don't disturb the radius. With the same radius, you have to intersect the previous arc. So let that point be, locate that point, and now you join C through that point. See, you have to extend line like this. This is the angle we need. So angle here will be, how much it will be? See, let us see. Let us measure with an protractor. How much it will be? Exactly, it will be 75 degrees angle. You got the angle? No? Yes. Now, you know, this one, taking the center at C and radius 6 centimeters. See, taking the center at C and radius as 6 centimeters. This side is given already. So 2 included angle. See here, why included angle means this angle, this 100 degree angle is in between AB and BC. And 75 degree angle is in between CD and BC again. So these two sides are given. This is an included angle. These two sides are given and this will be the included angle. So when you take the keep the pointer at C and take the radius as 6 centimeters, draw an arc, locate the point as D, now join AD like this. Did you get the quadrilateral now? Everyone? Observe it. So you can do problems in 3.5. Understood everyone? Okay, this is the construction. Now the construction steps for the fifth construction. Let us see the construction steps. So first we have to draw a rough figure with a given measurements. So this is a rough figure we have drawn with a given measurements. Next what we have done, draw an triangle. So we know two sides and one included angle. So by side angle side property, we can draw a triangle. That is, AB is known 5 centimeters. The angle at B is 100 degrees and BC is also 4.5 centimeters. And with the center, you have to construct an angle that is 75 degrees angle. Draw a ray, CY ray. With the center C and the radius 6 centimeters, draw an arc on the ray. So the ray will intersect the arc will intersect the ray at some point. Let that point be D. Now join AD. Then you can get the required, that is quadrilateral. So this is about the construction steps for the construction. Now we'll see some of the special types of quadrilaterals constructions. That is the construction 6 in exercise 3.6. So I have taken here one problem. Construct a rhombus in which the diagonals are given. So here the angles are not given, the sides are not given, but what are given? The two diagonals are given. So these two are the diagonals, and this is a rhombus, and AC diagonal is given. How much it is? 4.5 centimeters, and BD diagonal is also given, that is 6 centimeters. So this is the rough diagram. I'll show you how to construct the rhombus with the help of geometry instruments. Okay, right. Now the construction of rhombus when two diagonals are given. So you have already drawn the rough diagram. First we'll draw one diagonal. This is the diagonal. The diagonal length is given, that is 4.5 centimeters. You know, the diagonals are perpendicular with each other. They bisect perpendicularly. So for this line segment AC, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So for that perpendicular bisector, see here, the length of a line segment is 4.5 centimeters. So half of it will be 2.25. So for this perpendicular bisector, remember carefully, listen carefully, you have to take more than half for this perpendicular bisector. So here I have taken almost 3 centimeters, more than half. You have to take and put the pointer at A, draw an arc upside the line segment and down the line segment also. Like down the line segment also, you have to draw an arc like this. Both the arcs you have to, with the same radius, don't disturb the radius, with the same radius. Now you keep the pointer at C, draw an arc up and down. Now locate the points of intersection of these arcs like this and like this. So when you join these 2 points, this line is a perpendicular bisector. So this is the special name for this line. Why we call this line as a perpendicular bisector? Because when you measure with your scale also, so this line will divide the line segment into 2 equal halves. So this here it will be 2.25 and here it will be 2.25, and the angle between this line and the line segment, these 2 lines will be compulsory, it will be 90 degrees. So therefore we call this line as this blue color line we call it as perpendicular bisector. So now we'll get the other 2 vertices of rhombus. So this will be a diagonal, another diagonal, and we can locate the other 2 vertices of rhombus on this perpendicular bisector itself. You know what is the length of an another diagonal? How much it is? It is 6 centimeters. So you have to, this line also, these 2 lines are perpendicular with each other and they bisect each other, isn't it? So this line is 6 centimeters means, so from here to here, locate the point midpoint as M. From M to this arc, it will be 3 centimeters and down it will be 3 centimeters. When you add these 2, you should get 6 centimeters total, like this. Now with the compass, you have to take 3 centimeters radius, draw an arc like this, and with same radius, draw one more 3 centimeters distance, locate a point on this blue color perpendicular bisector. Now locate the points. Now you got the points B point and D point, D. So these are the vertices. Now we'll easily join the vertices AB, then BC, then CD, C, then AD. Now you get a rhombus. So this is the rhombus with, so when you add these 2, this is 3 and this is 3. So the total length of the diagonal will be 6 centimeters. This diagonal length is 6 centimeters and this diagonal length is 4.5 centimeters. So we have constructed the required rhombus. So this is the last construction. Now the construction steps for the construction, that is the construction of rhombus. See here. First, we have to draw a rough figure with the given measurements. Now draw a line segment AB that is equal to 4.5 centimeters. And next thing, draw a perpendicular bisector line segment. So this perpendicular bisector is for the line segment AB. So you have to draw a perpendicular bisector for AB. and the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector with the that is perpendicular bisector name is xy, this one, and this is a line, will intersect the line segment AB at the point M. Now you have to take the radius of 3 centimeters with center M and radius 3 centimeters. You have to draw an arc on XY line up and down. So these two arcs you have to draw and locate the points as some D and B. Now join AB, BC, CD and DA so as to get a rhombus ABCD. So these are the construction steps for the rhombus. Don't forget, you have to write the construction steps also for each and every construction. So a rough diagram is essential, construction is very essential, and construction steps also very important. So while drawing the construction, the measurements should be accurate and the pencil should be sharp, and you have to, the measurements, everything you have to, the angles should be, you should take, you should locate the angles also perfectly. So then only the marks will be awarded, and the construction steps also should be accurate. So this is all about the construction of quadrilaterals in 8th mathematics, and this is the last session. Good luck, students.